Here's a quick video of how to set up auto TI and auto turn on our Fendt 1050. So we'll go here to guidance, which is the second button on the right. It looks like a satellite. Auto TI is the first step of this. Here you set up your distance from your headland and you separate and you set when you're gonna run your end and goes. So here we're gonna say 90-foot wide headlands because we've got a 30-foot wide implement. I want to be able to do headlands in 3 passes. And then we'll set our flags for when we start. So you can say your orange flag is when you're going to start your go. You're going to start your yellow flag is when you start your end. You can change these to end 1, end 2, or whichever. So once that's set up, so in order to set that up, you'll just turn them both on. And then you'll just drive through there. You'll push your end like you would normally. And wherever you push that, that's where it would push. And then you'll push your go and it'll do the exact same thing and record it. Once those two things are on there, now you can activate auto TI. Then you'll come over here. So auto TI should function, and the way I recommend it is you'll come to your end, make sure your implement raises and lowers the way you expect it as you're driving it. Auto turn, and this is required if we have a boundary, so we are not required but is helpful. So we're going to do a U-turn. Our starting pass when we set this up is whatever we do. Now it'll automatically pre-populate our starting pass with the pass we are currently on. Otherwise that number corresponds to that number right there. So if you say, hey, I want to set this up and I'm going to start the next pass, that's that. Your pass width, in this case I want to skip a pass because this implement's fairly narrow, so I'm going to say 2. And then the direction I'm heading currently, what direction do I want to turn when I get to the end? So in this case, I want to turn to the left because I want to go to the left. Now, I'll press calculate here. And then this will tell me the number of solutions that I have and if it can do it. And so I can view that it's all there. So it looks good. I can zoom in. You'll see that that's the creation it's going to do. And then I'll push auto. And then that will do it. So here I'll go ahead and go. So I'm coming up here to the end and it's raising my implement just where I want it. It's following this curve around. It's going to drop my implement where I need it, and I've skipped a pass on my tillage. So easy to set up. If you need to tweak it, you can change your, I'm going to go ahead and stop so visibility is a little better. You can tweak your turning radius, and that helps a little bit sometimes. So